Hi good people, this is Michelle. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is gonna be all about beef lasagna. Number one ingredient will be beef mince. The second ingredient, good people, will be lasagna sheets. Obviously. And then another ingredient that I actually love using is my mixed vegetable curry for my mince. You know, you can mix whatever you want to mix, but this is what I prefer. And then another one for my white sauce, obviously, will be my fresh cream and flour and other sauces like 4 cheeses and mushroom sauces, whatever you guys want to add. Let us start with our mince. So first of all, you're gonna put the mince in the pot. And then our next ingredients will be green pepper, red pepper, and onion. So I'm gonna chop my onions and peppers together and mix it with the mince. Life is easy now, hey? This is just easy. Remember how our parents used to teach us how to chop onions? It took forever. Now this is just 1, 2, 3 and then you are done. Ta-da, you see? Easy stuff. And then you mix it together. Okay, looking good, looking great, looking perfect. And then what I usually add is my sriracha, mild. And then I'm gonna use chicken stock. It's also just for the flavor, okay people? The next thing that I'm gonna do is white sauce with the flour and the fresh cream and everything that you guys want to add. You don't have to pour too much of it, you know. It depends on, I don't know, it depends on what. Like I said, I'm no expert, eh? I'm also a beginner, but it depends on the plates. I'm gonna add water, a bit of water in it. Anyway, this is my daughter Buipilo. Say hi.
Hi.
I am going to add a bit of rama. Stop eating the cheese. The cheese is for the lasagna. Why are you eating the cheese so much, Buipilo?
I'm not eating
Cheese. I'm also adding steak and chops. You can add 3 to 4 spoons of it. I added 3 spoons of this. And then what I normally do, it's all dependent on you guys, like I said. I don't know what you like. Maybe you like mainstream soup, maybe you like chicken soup, maybe whatever soup. So I'm adding this. This is one of my favorite soups because it makes the flavor great. And then I'm gonna add my mixed vegetable curry. You stay. It looks really delicious, guys. I don't know whether it tastes delicious, but to me it looks delicious. I forgot to add my favorite spice, paprika. the ramen is ready. It has melted. So it's time for my white sauce. Oh my word, I forgot to add milk. Okay. There we go. This is for the lasagna. Okay. I don't know how you guys make your white sauce, but I normally make it a bit thicker. To make sure that it's actually very smooth, so I need to use all of my strength. Whew. Okay, let me just change this because I'm very short by the way, guys, so I need to just and look at what I'm doing correctly. Finally, I feel like singing. Anyway, guys, we are done cooking the marinades and the white sauce. It's time to make the lasagna. Whew, okay, these are lasagna sheets. How you do it. I used boiling water so that the lasagna sheets can actually become soft. So this is my mince. I'm gonna take my mince and do this. Voila! You baste the mince first, okay? Mince. After basting, I don't know, do they call it base or whatever you call it, or the layer, whatever. I don't know what it is. And then you take the white sauce. I'm gonna add my lasagna sheets again. Adding. This is the second base or second layer, whatever you call it. And reason why I actually added boiling water is for the sheets to become softer. Because remember, I didn't boil the sheets. So it needs to be soft. I'm doing the very same thing I did the first time. So I'm gonna add my mince. Now it's the last layer. I can't wait to do this. Not bad at all. Finally. Okay. This is our last base. This is the last and final layer of the lasagna. Okay. White sauce. Lasagna sauce, whatever sauce you can call it. But I'm so happy that at least this time I made enough white sauce, because the last time I tried doing this, the sauce, man, the sauce disappointed me. Voila. And now it's time for me to add cheese. Okay? I grated the cheese, by the way, guys. I'm adding the cheese. I'm covering the lasagna with cheese. Voila! Beef lasagna made by Michelle. Huh? And now it's gonna take 15 to 20 minutes in the oven. Okay, guys? Make sure the cheese does not burn, okay? So now it's time for me to actually put my lasagna in the oven. Okay, there it goes. Okay guys, it's ready, it's time. Okay, let's check it out. Oh my word, it looks delicious. Just move. Lasagna. This is my lasagna. Let me just cut it and see if everything is well and ready. Okay, I'm done. It's happening. Let me just taste it. No, people, honestly, I have to eat it. I mean, come on, after so long. Okay. I just had to take a minute there. Thank you so much for tuning in, and again people, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Bye.